Hi guys, this is a short video to explain the procedure to register for COVID-19 vaccination through Mysejahtera apps. First, return to the main page of Mysejahtera. You will see the COVID-19 vaccination icon. If you do not see this icon, then you will have to update your Mysejahtera apps to the latest version. Click into it and you will see your name appear on the top portion. Click into your name and verify that your name and IC number is exactly what is stated on your IC or your passport. If it is not, click edit. If the details are correct, press confirm. Okay. Now you have verified your details. Now it will prompt you to click next to see if you are enrolled into the vaccination program. So click next. As Malaysia is still currently under the first phase of vaccination, it will advise you that currently only frontliners that are registered are in the program. So you are currently not yet registered under the program. So it will prompt you to update additional details for your registration, which is under the click here button. So click into it and there will be a set of questionnaires. First question is, are you interested in taking the vaccine? Which I assume that you are, so click yes. Second question, do you have any other underlying sicknesses, sejarah penyakit? So if you do, press yes. If you do not, press no. The next question is, are you registered with Social Welfare Department, Jabatan Kebajikan Masyarakat under OKU? If you are, press yes. If you are not, press no. Now, the third question is your current location. Where is your residence? Tempat tinggal semasa Anda. So your current residence address. If your location is enabled, you can press on this icon and it will direct the location to where you are now. If you cannot get your current location, you can manually search for your house address and click on it. Once this has been verified and is correct, and all questions has been answered, click the submit button. So please ensure the details are accurate, especially your house location. Press OK. And that's it. You're done. Press OK and it will return you to the page on registration. Now, please take note. Kindly enable push notification in Mysejahtera for future updates. So you will have to allow push notification to your Mysejahtera apps so that when it is your turn to get vaccinated, you will receive the location of vaccination, the time and date of your vaccination through your apps. So this is important to have your push notification on your Mysejahtera apps enabled. Okay? So that's it for now. Thank you guys and have a good evening.